why we got to know about this process, that chanting and hearing should be concurrent, so late. Did not many 70s devotees know this? Such a mystery was hidden? No, those who studied seriously Prabhupada's books, those who questioned what is the proper chanting, they've gone and asked Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada has told them, and there are people who have practiced this. This is not something new. What Mataji Malati Devi Dasi is asking Prabhupada, what should we think or what should we do while chanting? And Prabhupada clearly says, simply hear. So then that devotee must have been following, that devotee must have told somebody else. Prabhupada directly told like this, don't think of anything, Prabhupada told. So people know, devotees know about it. So similarly, as I said, even now after knowing, how many will do it? So there is some other factor also involved in that. Sincerity of the devotee. Ultimately, he will get the fruit if he is sincere about it. Simply knowing is not important. How many of them finally practice and benefit? You can't say. Knowledge is not everything. From knowledge, later on, you need to have the inspiration and the determination to follow that and put it into practice. So that is where the challenge is there. So don't think knowledge is everything. If everybody knew this, they would have immediately done it. After now, you all discover how many of you will actually follow it. So therefore, it is always there.